Thari lupsen chukchi wadarda demonstrative adjectives ra khazang di kare be anzu gi adjectives na la descriptive ra ta descriptive adjectives la di khande chlai do chunda dishi ge na re yana chechung dishi ge na re yana mitta sanglo jo ra di ki shi na ra de che ta de na shi sopta kondo shi di ki shi da descriptive adjectives ra ginsi na lo ye wa chi ta ginsi di na jela di hato demonstrative chida demonstrate la na temba la ko jo ra ji mi shin ba la chi khare temba la palore demonstrate ta ji bi ga de na la pe chi unzu ten chi chala la cho ten ya ro na re ten ji la ko cho sa ra ans de ta wa read this conversation lima de lo shoas fruit seller good morning Mrs. Rai. What would you like today, Mrs. Rai? Could you give me these lovely mangoes here? Those apples over there look delicious. Could you give me 6 of those? Fruit seller, certainly. Mrs. Rai, that watermelon over there is huge. My son loves watermelons. Can I have that? Fruit seller, here you go. Mrs. Rai, this papaya over here looks ripe. I will take that too. Tadina khare fruit seller lana shindo zungye che ani pumochi kaza. Dimila Rai chera Mrs. Rai che. Ta Mrs. Lady changsa kya kyang ye ro tin ko chora. Ta thangodi good morning Mrs. Rai chera shindo zungye ri la bar ta kuni para limera. What would you like today? Tarin kena kargo ye la tra. Ni Mrs. Rai khalare could you give me these lovely mangoes here? These lady kharila khoe chambade. So these that those lan ra. This lana chichi che dam le ba che and these lana tharam bu kyo mangsi ra. Dira. Sorry. Di note that tanga. These lana mangsi che ra. These che za tharam bu yo che. Dine that lana chichi tharam bu ke. Ra. Tanda these lady mangsi tha nyo le ke tanga nor ta tangi. These lady tha nyo le ke che. Ani mangsi tharam bu ke those tharing se ke. De chamba da these this that these those this lady dam de ke chichi che that lan tharam bu chichi these lana mangsi dam de ke those lana tharam bu ke mangsi chatte ra ko no de che ta di de la kan kare ngala pa ju gi mango ni ji mun sura karsati amra amsha sounds bi ke ngala terostas ani those apples phagi gi ani apple zura shin khasa kushunzo pe khasa shimdo thongdos ani ngai tenri trugoyes ra apple trugoyes ne fruit seller khalawre certainly in the ra ne Mrs. Rai that watermelon over there is huge and pay that lana chichi chatera pay yi khasa watermelon khasa chuka kumare di pe chimburshas ra my son loves watermelon nipu watermelon ga yores can I have that and pay di ragre tengal trosta ra fruit seller here you go anya let's down so mansuki de masna nya le sabla here you go le ra the name Mrs. Rai this papaya over here looks ripe I will take that too and di tanda di dam le kyu chala chigra di ani papaya di pe tsodi kyu roshishanga di ki is di yang ki ra ta gare these those ra that these led and some anzu yima kharchare ta chizi da manzi la jansara ta di kharcha dire tanda ko yo do mas chioina yinsi na lo ye twenken ro chra phagi di la twenken di ye wa cha or ta ko zo kharcha dire those apples that watermelon this papaya la sam minsi la ko dishi ro chike minsi khagi la samala phagi di dam di la chi ko chung tung do di ki ko la min kare demonstrate ta ro shre we use this and these to point at some people and things that are near us. These W we use that and those to point at point to point and these are at people and things at far. That the those pishires. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. We use this and that with singular nouns. We use these and those with the plural nouns. Manzugi minsi chichila this the that pichire and minsi mangzila these the those lan pichires. Ra. Ditiyoch. Dine thambodi exercise 1D. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. Da khare tsiru zokoya la tsi diwadala korta kyashuas ni tamgotawa. Da I have all those later, these later drawing in my folder here. Da here lana damla yo kyapsarwa. I have all these drawings in my folder here. I have to show them to my teacher. Ra drawings lana remove in folder lana susugi da nyasa chisa icha nyasa chisa tindiro li da shogam lore dinara yes nga gigile tingis. Those are my father's files over there lana this taring yora manzi redo are la do so those are my father's file over there files na icha them so palaga icha yes please don't touch them and then so la homa chances. Those apples on that tree are not ripe. Let's not pluck them. Pajogi ani kaza that lan taring budra ani shingdong digala apple dinzo chömindoas anzugi makos pluck lana kovara makos ta khajaso those chasa then these are my books. I have to keep them on the shelf. Ta khajiso are chesa sa mangsi yasa so ani damle yubache these are my books mangsi la turako. I have to keep them on the shelf and shelf na manzu tape shasa gi kasa pangshang ro li da tik ba di in digan sha yes those hills that you see in the distance are 20 kilometers away. Da tharum bu yo che kilomang bu yo da you can see distance later because 2 kilometer ni shoots on those hills later pajo kiran thongyagi ani ridinzos ani kilometer ni shoots yores patati. Look at those houses across the street. They are new. The houses mangzi chaswa chesa those chatura pagi kamba kaza pagi kam langa pagi gyusa jora pai langa chu doksho jora dela dadas kamba dula kunju sawar. Did you make these paper flower? Kirangi the flower chigri da chesa and this later kirangi shugi medod sway bass. Please pass me that blue shirt from the cupboard over there. Ani kare over there la so ani pass me that later pane yo pegi cupboard tamle pegi di khasa unju mubu dinga suta mas pass chedala na mas sutero chitas. Then exercise 2D. Complete these sentences with words from the box. Ya jibujiga hare sidu dunzo di trupshina yo pegi sigdunzo gi conscious. This, that, these, those konzo shidra demonstrative. Is that your umbrella by the door? No, it's not. But this black one here is mine. Ra. Hajo kam godam de gi dikirang rebela ra. Am nidu di. Mares mangi mares di mares. Nakudingi dela yigi nakudingi res. Do you always buy your uniform from dash shop here or dash shop across the street? The here is a W tensara this shop or that shop. Kirangi dikche di ani digi chongan nyue paye chongan nyue best. John wants to play football with dash children over there na tharim buyo children na mangsi cha so na paye bu din zo le sabla those children over there. John kharchim che to na football ra kanse bolo paye bu din yam chim chim ye de res. Dash books are not mine. Dash by the windows are mine. Ra dile kin zo ni mari 기본으로 얘기도 니기래래 와 탭도 so kare 탭 manzir to katere these books are not mine those by the window are mine ra manzila these ta those che chitsila this the that ni sometime ta ra that la na tharin buli ki this la na dam ki che ra then dash sandwiches are rather nice my mother has used strawberry jam ra these land is ra these sandwiches are rather nice it is yes my mother has used strawberry jam means the sandwich na ma khari phir chira amlagi strawberry jam phir chira strawberry la na anjogi kharsa tela sasi nam se rush leida adi shigan kini tro on di gi soja be jam yura anjonam ki di palenyam chuya gi ngamushu on di su yures Dine Trubadi dash is Rajiv's bed, not yours. Yours is under dash chair over there. Rata di kirangi mare Rajiv ye Yuba de mare cricket se Yuba de mare and kiran di ra sorry Rajiv's bed, not yours. Konda dela di karsa Rajiv ki Yuba de kirangi mares kiran di khal dere phagi ye kupkya wal du let ra. Ne Dumbadi, will you pass me dash glass of orange juice over there? I am very thirsty. Ra. Over there lan tharim bujdeyo ache. Ani pass me that glass. Ra glass lana kayo chik chade ra. Ne kasadi orange juice, chaluma juice. Ra. Koa di ani tumbedi chuma jero chitas. Na pekha kumkutu la ra. Then somebody complete these sentences with this, that, these, or those. Can you see those monkeys sitting on top of the tree? I can finish dash chocolate. Would you like some? Sorry, I can't. I can't finish this chocolate. Would you like some? This because chocolate satumdus, zotantumdus, ikiris kashiko heladra. So I can't finish this chocolate. This chocolate la chora. Then Sashi, is dash your pencil? I just found it on the floor. Is this later? Koran la palera. Ikera Sashi le pum meji mi meche. Ikidin chanyu de kerang reverse ni and tanda shela anye so. Then she would, do you see dash woman standing over there? Do you see that woman? Later, chikirda. She is our Hindi teacher. Mo kare anzugi Hindi lamgi gelares. Look at dash painting over there. What lovely colors. Look at that painting later. Painting chikchira. Remote teacher ki pasha chikchila. Dadas. What lovely colors. Chunda kandi abutus. Listen, dash dogs next door are barking again. Next door nantis thariora. Those dogs next door are barking again. Next door nang kimze josh lakoshora. On is a kitten zogi gonik those dash more mountains in the distance are the Nilgiris. Ani kare mountains tharimbuli yebadin so Nilgiris das and those mountains ra. I love dash pizzas. Your mother is a good cook. Ani kare pizza dinzola nga gasus kiramla pe kasa kala ya osu kinrishas. I love these pizzas. Pizzas manzirda. These. Look at dash aeroplane flying high above us. Look at that later this tarambura. Manas tola pishabegi, doshabegi, namdilla tadas. Please take dash chair and put it in that corner. Da kare kupya de lenche kiche ni pai suila sharochis. So take this chair later. In dash picture I am standing between my parents. In this picture that is ra. Par dinala nga ani apalamanya kimala lang deyes. Dash books were here are new. Dash books over there are the old ones. Books manza jasa. So these books here are new. Those books over there are the old ones. Ra. Dash cake tastes good. I think I will have another piece. र this cake tastes good. त this cake ला चाहिँ बकाला नयाँ cake दी ठंगा चाहिँ मिग्यो रुचाते र दिगी म चाहिँ चिजी रुपिस र. So I think I have another piece. Can you see dash sheep grazing in the field? केरा grazing आना चासा दे वाल कोरा. अनि केरा ये करे लूदिन जो ये दिनाला शिंगा नाला 사대와 짜사도 통고되겠어. Can you see those 라 망치 차대라 sheep 대 망치 차대라 단다고. Those sheep grazing in the field. 뭔데 봤어?